Hello, and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time here, I ask that you sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you like what it is that you see, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and hitting the thumbs up button to let me know that you enjoy what it is that you see. If you're back for more unboxing shenanigans, they are headed your way. So I have a Stitch Fix box today. This is an extra special Stitch Fix because I told my stylist for this particular fix, no budget constraints, no style constraints. You've given me what it is that I asked for in the past, Jason, so now give me whatever you want. So this is all what I'm calling Jason's choice. So I have no idea what's in that box right now. I made myself not peek, so I'm really nervous. And maybe, just maybe, it'll be an extra special Christmas gift to myself. So today I don't really have on any makeup besides some mascara and a little bit of lip gloss because I didn't want to take the chance of getting makeup on, you know, a $300 item or something like that, and then I'd have to buy it and probably cry or something. I don't know. But anyway, I haven't seen what's in this box. I'm excited to see it, very nervous. So if you just hang around for a few moments, I'm going to go ahead and open her up. So it's right after Thanksgiving, and if you can allow me just a moment to kind of sidetrack here, I just want to say that I'm thankful for each and every one of you. It is very difficult being a small YouTuber, miniature YouTuber, but I appreciate every single one of my subscribers and just the engagement that happens in the comments below. If you have commented below, you know that even if you just say hi, I'm going to say hi back. I reply to every single comment, and I just love the engagement that this brings. In addition to that, I appreciate when you actually watch the video. So if you don't know about YouTube, the less you watch the video, so when you just skip through and look at the videos, that actually brings my ranking down, and it hurts my video rankings. But the more you watch it, the more when you comment, that actually brings my rankings up. So by bringing my rankings up, it brings me more, you know, subscribers, more exposure, which brings me more rankings, subscribers, and exposure. So I appreciate that. I know it's hard to sit through videos sometimes. Like, seriously, I used to be a serial skipper, but once I realized it mattered, even if I just let it play and I peek in and, you know, go brush my teeth and peek in, and I make sure that I play the whole video. So anyway, just a side note, but thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. Let's go ahead and get in this expensive box because I know it's going to be expensive. Here's my burrito. I'm really nervous. I'll put some faux fur in there. No telling what it'll be. All right, here we go. It's a faux fur. It's a faux fur. It's a faux fur jacket. It's super cute. Oh, it's a plaid dress. It's really soft. I like it. It's a wrap skirt. It's long, sorry. It's a wrap skirt, and it's a gorgeous fabric. Wow. Okay, so here's a nice little knit top. It's really soft. Wow. Red corduroys with lots of stretch. Not red, it's kind of a burgundy. And look. As suggested by the style card, I'm going to pair this white top with a long line cardigan and embroidered jeans. I thought this was a really cute look. This cardigan is from Target. The jeans are slink jeans, which are some of my favorite. But this sweater was kind of long on me, so I would just kind of pull it up a little bit there. This sweater was super soft. I have been running into some kind of itchy sweaters lately, but this was definitely not one of them. Very comfortable. It's got a ribbing in the actual material that's not on the print, and then it has kind of a cross ribbing at the sleeves, which I'll show you here in a second. But this is a super comfortable pullover sweater, so it is in fact a keeper. For this look, I'm going to go with an off-the-shoulder black top and black boots. So here it is. I thought this was a really sassy look. these velveteen type jeans are in kind of a really deep, I guess that would be like a Bordeaux color. But they were so comfortable. They had plenty of stretch. I thought this was a really sassy look with the boots. They're pretty comfortable. I don't know that I'm necessarily in the market for another pair of jeans, but these were a great pick. Here I'm simply adding a denim jacket and a white pair of Chucks. This was a great, easy ensemble. I love this dress. I've been trying to add more plaid to my wardrobe, so this definitely fit the bill. It's very comfortable. It has plenty of give, plenty of stretch, some swing to it. So no complaints about how it felt. Now, I don't know what the deal is with fabric having white undersides. That seems very lazy to me, but it's a thing that I've been seeing lately that I'm not a fan of. Now, you don't have to fool with roll tabs because it's flipped up, but as you see here, I noticed that the button was missing from one of the pockets, so I'm looking on the floor for it. I never found it, so that's kind of a bummer. But the dress was actually great. So can you believe I don't have a black moto jacket? So instead I'm going to do a green moto jacket and a black bodysuit and black boots. So I thought this was a super cute look. I love this skirt. I've been looking for an animal print bottom for a while. It has a little bit of stretch to it. And the cool thing about this is that it's not a true wrap skirt in that if the wind blows, you're not going to be able to see all of your precious cargo. But this material is a really silky material. It has a little bit of stretch to it, but I do think it was a bit smaller, so I did order it a size up. However, I thought that this was an absolute great look. Next, we have the star of the show, the faux fur jacket, which I'm just going to put with a simple black dress. Hi, darling. Would you like to touch my fink jacket, as in faux mink jacket? Anyway, so this jacket was actually very comfortable. It's very lightweight, even though it looks a little heavy. It has this paneling here, I think, which just reinforces the buttons. But you can dress this jacket up or dress it down. I decided to dress it up with a kind of a silky dress underneath. But overall, this was a great option. So I don't even think Jason looked at my budget because I told Jason, I said, the sky's the limit. Whatever it is you want to spend on whatever, just whatever your choice is. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the prices. If you remember in the intro, I said I didn't wear makeup because I was afraid to get makeup on a $200 or $300 item. Then I'd have to pay for it. As you can see, Jason actually spent less on 5 items than I anticipated spending on one. And not only that, but all 5 items was the bomb. What, Jason? I said I didn't want no more sweaters. You sent me a sweater and said you gonna like this sweater. I said I don't want no more pants. You said, oh, okay, you don't want no more pants. I'm sending you some anyway, and you gonna like them. I said I don't know what to do with no fur. The last fur vest you sent me, I don't know what to do with it. You said, okay, I got you. I'm gonna send it to you. You gonna like it, and I'm gonna tell you how to wear it, and you gonna look good. I am blown away. You have done it again. 5 for 5. You done got me. I ain't got nothing else to say. I'm out.